Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a unique device that blurs the line between an e-reader and a smartphone, the Onyx Boox Palma. It's not your typical e-reader, so let's see how it performs in real-world usage. Starting with the design, the Onyx Boox Palma looks remarkably like a smartphone, complete with a sleek, lightweight build and a 6.13-inch e-ink Carta 1200 display. It's comfortable to hold and surprisingly light at just 170 grams. The device features a rear 16 megapixels camera and physical buttons for power, volume, and page turns. I really appreciate its pocketability and the fact that it can lie flat on a table, thanks to its flush camera design. The 2:1 aspect ratio of the screen is a departure from traditional e-readers, offering both portrait and landscape reading modes. The e-ink Carta 1200 display is sharp and responsive, perfect for extended reading sessions without causing eye strain like LCD screens. However, I did notice some uneven screen lighting, which could be a minor annoyance for some users. Powered by a 2 GHz octa-core Qualcomm processor and 6 GB of RAM, the Palma handles tasks surprisingly well. It runs on Android 11, allowing access to the Google Play Store for downloading apps like Kindle and Kobo for your ebook needs. I found it smooth for reading, browsing, and even playing lightweight mobile games. One standout feature I wish it had is stylus support, which would have elevated its utility for note-taking and annotation. Despite lacking this, the Palma includes a rear LED flash that doubles as a torch and has expandable storage via microSD, a useful feature for storing a vast library of books and files. Battery life is excellent, lasting multiple days on a single charge, which is impressive given its functionality and the power-efficient e-ink display. It's a reliable companion for long trips or daily commutes without needing frequent recharging. In conclusion, the Onyx Boox Palma is a niche device that caters well to avid readers looking for a portable alternative to traditional e-readers or tablets. Its smartphone-like design and access to Android apps broaden its functionality, though it comes at a higher price point than some competitors. If you value versatility and a great reading experience in a compact form factor, the Palma could be worth considering. That wraps up our review of the Onyx Boox Palma. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.